Welcome to Melt and Pour soap series at Terra Naturals. Melt and Pour soap is a pre-made base that allows for easy customization, making it perfect for creating personalized handmade soaps without the need for complex soap making process. Today in this video, let us explore Goatmilk UBTAN soap. Goatmilk UBTAN soap combines the nourishing properties of goat milk with traditional herbal powders to cleanse, moisturize, and brighten the skin naturally. Let's get started. Here I have used the goat milk soap base. Goat milk soap base is a luxurious, nutrient dense base. It is ideal for creating moisturizing and soothing skincare products. UBTAN powder is a natural skincare remedy that exfoliates, brightens, and rejuvenates the skin while promoting an even tone and a healthy glow. I have added more than 25 skin loving herbs to this powder. Click the link for more details. UBTAN face pack and UBTAN powder face wash are now available at Terra Naturals. Let's begin the soap making. First, double boil the soap base. For 1 kg of soap base, add 15 to 20 grams of UBTAN powder and mix it well. Add few drops of coconut oil and few drops of essential oil of your choice and mix it well. Always remember to spray rubbing alcohol before and after pouring the mixture. Goat milk UBTAN soap hydrates and softens the skin, while the UBTAN gently exfoliates and brightens, leaving a smooth and glowing complexion. Once give a try and leave your feedback. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.